Hello everybody, welcome to Adam Explorer, a channel where we make Arabic fun and easy to learn. Let's begin our journey. Lesson 2.3 B. B is also known as with or at. Examples: at bil Madinah, at the town. With bil qalami, with the pen. This is the look of letter ba if it is connected with other letters. Let's see how letter ba meets a letter and connects. We will combine ba with letter alif. Let's recap and learn new words. Al-Faslu means classroom. Al-Madinatu means town. Al-Qalamu means pen. Let's rearrange sentence using Harfu jar. Al-Madinatu, Antuma, B. Let's arrange the sentence together. Firstly, use domir. Antuma. Secondly, use Harfu jar, B. Thirdly, use isim, Al-Madinatu. Yes, but remember, word that comes after Harfu jar, the shakl of the last letter must be kasrah. So it must be as shown. You have just learned Harfu jar number 3 of 8, which is B, also known as with or at. Keep on practicing. Stay tuned for upcoming lesson 2.4. Do support us by subscribe, like, follow and share. Ila liqa. See you again.